How to download Google Earth Pro on your desktop. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you do is open up your browser and simply search for Google Earth Pro. Once you do that, hit enter. Click on the first link you see, Earth Visions, and here you have an option to get Earth Pro on desktop. Click on it. Now click on Download Earth Pro on desktop. Scroll down and see all of the terms and condition and accept and download. Now it will download an installation file here. Click on it and then click on download. Once you download the file, just go ahead and run the setup. It will open up the installation wizard now. Click on yes. Wait for a bit and it will start downloading Google Earth Pro. Once the download is complete, go ahead and launch the application. So I'm just going to wait for a bit here and then launch the application. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically download Google Earth Pro on your desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.